Hey everyone, so currently I am back at the alien house. This is the alien house. The reason why they call it that is because, well, look at the architecture of this thing. This doesn't look real, but the man who built this was definitely a creative person, for sure. The mission today is to investigate this abandoned home. Now wait, this is not a paranormal investigation unlike the rest of my YouTube videos. This is just an exploration. I want to share with you guys what this has in store. This is definitely not all of it. We are exploring a crap ton more behind this location. Are you guys ready? Let's frickin' do this. Let's go. So this is the entrance to the building. I'm not going to say where this is located, well, because I need to respect this place. Abandoned places I cannot name, unfortunately. We need to preserve these types of things. So this is the inside. This is the first floor. Last time I was here, this looked pretty messed up, but now it looks even more messed up. What's weird is that there's a ladder right here, so it looks like people were trying to get in, which I don't really understand because, well, the entrance is right here. And it sucks because, well, last time I was here, this pane was intact at the window. Too bad people have destroyed it. Like I said, we need to preserve places like these. Little newspaper. Little newspaper. This is the kitchen. Yeah, it looks like someone did mess this thing up. This was intact, supporting the roof. Clearly not anymore. A little pan over here. There's a clown graffiti on the windowsill. Broken sink. Looks like this was an oven, but now it does have a lot of cobwebs on it. A drawer full of leaves. Yeah, as you can see, this was a giant bay window. So this looks like almost like a clubhouse. I am going to call this the clubhouse because, well, this looks like a good hangout spot. I mean, these sofas have seen better days, but an abandoned chair, broken ass TV. But there is a cute little jacuzzi right here, right next to this abandoned fridge. I mean, look at this thing. Seen better days for sure. Now there is an upstairs. If we scan all the way up here, there's actually a ladder going all the way up top. The camera doesn't really do it justice. In real life, it's taller than what it looks right now. But we are going to go upstairs and find out what's going on. Yes, okay. More giant bay windows. There is a mini treehouse attached to this place, so I cannot wait to show you the treehouse. The treehouse is kind of underwhelming, but it's truly worth a share. I love sharing these locations with you guys because, well, you guys are awesome and I really want to provide you some interesting explorations, and this one is definitely one of them, for sure. There's tons more to explore, so let's keep going. So this second floor doesn't really have much, but we are going upstairs. Let's find out what's up here. As you can see, well, these stairs are colored. Pretty unique. You don't really see that every day. All right. What's cool is that there's almost like a submarine door here. Yes, it kind of looks like a submarine. Definitely a submarine door frame right here. So interesting. Like this was definitely an artist who created this house. Now there is a ladder going up, but I believe there's another way. This is the third floor. Nothing really much going on over here, but there is a ladder up. I believe if we go over here, nah, it's not. It's definitely not worth it. Definitely not worth it. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? No, I'm not doing it. I'm not stupid.
What's up here?
Is that the ladder? Yeah, and he found a ladder. All right, we are up top. Holy crap. Guys, check this out. This is crazy. Look. The camera doesn't do it justice, but we are very, very high right now. See that huge bay window that is slanted? That's the first floor that I shared with you guys earlier. Down here, right over here is the entrance where we came from. This top floor doesn't really have much. It's very tiny. It's in a triangular shape, I mean. But you can see the little glimpse of the treehouse in the woods. I'll show you guys in a moment. Long drop down. This is the ladder. I have to climb down now. Wish me luck. All right, I made it down the treacherous ladder. Holy crap. Well, you know what? Guess what? It's treehouse time. Let's do it. Woo! All right, all. So now we are investigating the treehouse. Or I should say exploring. This isn't all of it. There is tons more to explore. We are going inside right now. I mean, look at the roof. What the hell? Okay, so this, I believe, was the garage. So cars would exit through here and into the deserted, abandoned driveway down here. You can't really tell it's a driveway anymore. But anyways, let's go right into it. You guys will be able to tell that this is a garage. Yep, look at that. Definitely. Yeah, as you can see, this can be pulled down. All right, so we are going upstairs. Let's get this show on the road. It's a little bit dark, apologies. Okay, this part is the kitchen. Look at this. And as you can see, the alien house part, the main building is down here. And what's crazy is that there is almost like a ladder going up to the second floor, but it is actually a staircase. Isn't that weird? But this is definitely a gas stove. There is another upstairs part we are going to check out in a moment. There's a cute little window over here. I know you guys don't really care too much about this, so I'm gonna scan over it, but okay. This is cool. We stand up here. There's a little bit of a porch. And here it is. Before we go up this ladder, I want to share with you guys the little treehouse that I was mentioning earlier. Right here. This is the treehouse. Well, it's kind of a treehouse. So, if you guys have noticed, there wasn't really a bathroom in this location. The bathroom is actually the treehouse. Not insane? Not weird? That's so freaking weird. Look at this. There's a little seating area for your ass. Let's back up. Yep, that's the catwalk. What's cool is that there's actually little benches over here too. Look at this. A little seat area for your relaxation. If you guys want to relax, you guys can sit down right here. All right, so last stop is the staircase up. We are going up the staircase. Oh wow, speaking of, well, not really speaking of, but look at this. Little sink. Andy's coming upstairs now. But this is the last stop. Nothing up here. Just an abandoned attic. Subscribe if you are new here because I do this every week. And sometimes 2 times a week. Sometimes 3 times a week. If you are interested in abandoned locations or paranormal investigations, definitely subscribe because there's tons more coming. Tons. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. This is the alien house. Holy crap, what an exploration. I'm so glad I get to explore it with you guys. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Ta-ta, bye-bye.